lights finally came. I guess supposed to come like 2 days ago. It's cool. Came perfect time, right? This is YouTube, so we about to change the interior mouth lights on a 2003 Honda Accord EX-V6. I chose to get blue. Blue, my favorite color. It's the intro because it's hot as hell outside, so it's still daytime, so I'm gonna see you at nighttime when it's all lit. Whole procedure and everything, alright? Bet. I don't know, cut on no. I don't cut song, so we gonna change this one out first. Oh, bug. So I'm using a plastic bag, boy. I'll get it with it. I'll put it in upside down. Oh, shit, baby. Okay, put it upside down. I already changed the fuse since I know it wasn't working. And it works. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so I'm just put this back on. See what these lights is about, bruh. Damn, that's hard. Can I see how blue it is? Like, damn. Let's show you. Oh, it's a wow. Let me see what else. That's fire, y'all. That's player. That is, yeah, that's hard. Alright,